Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I've been all over the place, but I'm glad to be back with this hair tutorial that was sent to me by the Janet Hair Company. So I will be reviewing this hair today. It's the Anola Tresses collection, and it's the Distressed Loc crochet. We all know Distressed Loc is trending right now, so I was really excited when I received this hair in the mail for me to review. So I will be showing you an easy technique on how to install this hair. This only took me about 45 minutes, and the individual cornrows you can see right now my hair only took about an hour, so the total hours is less than 2 hours to complete. So I was gonna install it individually, but in order to minimize the time, so I decided to just cornrows the my hair and just install it. That way I don't spend too much time installing this hair. We want something easy and quick to do. So stay tuned for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave it down below in the comment section, and I will definitely be sure to reply them all. My Instagram is at sortout112, and I will also link in the information about this hair in the description box down below. Please check them out. They're having a sales right now, and all the information will be listed to their website and to their Instagram account as well, so check it out. So as you can see, I installed the crochet pin under the braids, and I'm just gonna open up the loop and then close it into the hair, and then I'm just gonna draw out the hair and just pull it through the hair. So that way, as you can see, it will still look as if it's still individually installed and not the regular cornrows crochet installed. Also to remember, I know I didn't show it on camera, to make sure you moisturize your scalp before installing any extension hair. That way your hair lasts long, that way it's not dry, it's not too dry and itchy. So you can use an oil, you can use any hair moisturizing that you regularly use before installing any extension hair. I highly recommend that. And as you can see, it looks like it's individually installed with this technique and process. So I'm just gonna keep repeating the same process all over, all through the hair until it's this volume that I want it to be. So I use about 8 packs of hair. You can use less or more depending on how full you like your hair to be. So right now I'm just checking to see if I missed any spots. So I'm just gonna install some right there, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial. And I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. And here is the finished look. Excuse my tired face, it was a long day for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was detailed enough for you guys, and I love the fact that you can put this style in anyhow you want it, in ponytail, in a bun. You can leave it down. It's your preference, it's up to you. So that's pretty much it. I really did love this hair. It was not too heavy like the regular Distressed Loc. It was really light with it, and I love the fact that it's not too long. I'm really not a fan of long hair. So it was like a pretty length for me, and I love the curls at the hands is not too curly, and it looks really natural. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye.